If you run a cosmetics shop, you may want to recommend a full routine to your customers instead of singular products. With the Product Recommendation Quiz app, it is possible to group products into slots and recommend a product for each step in your beauty routine. Check out our Skincare Quiz demo site and take the quiz to see an example. You'll learn how to build a quiz which recommends a 4-step skincare routine to your customers. Let's get started. In the Skincare Quiz demo shop, there are 4 types of skincare products: cleansers, toners, serums, and moisturizers. For the slots to work correctly, you'll have to create 4 collections and include all the corresponding products in them. For example, a cleansers collection should have all the cleansing products. A toners collection should have all the toning products. A serums collection should have all the serums, etc. To create a collection, click on the top right button. Give it a name and a description. Next, you'll select how to add products to a collection. You can do that manually, selecting each product one by one, or you can make an automatic collection based on a product tag. To create a cleansers collection, we'll choose the tag to be equal to the word cleanser. Shopify will automatically add all the products with this tag to the collection. You can create toners, serums, and moisturizer collections the same way. You can have more than one collection that includes some of the same products. An anti-aging or oily skin collection can be composed of several cleansers, serums, or moisturizers. Once you've made changes to your products and collections, you should sync them with the app. The process is done automatically in the background, but to make it faster, you can hit the Sync button in the Success checklist. The sync may take a few minutes. Once it's finished, all your products and collections will be up to date in the app. Your store is also fully synced every 24 hours. Now you can build your quiz. You can start from scratch or use one of our pre-designed skincare templates. Check out our previous step-by-step tutorial to learn how to use the quiz builder. Start building the quiz by adding simple questions relevant to the customer. Use a name question to make the quiz personal. Multiple choice questions can be useful in finding out the client's age, skin type, skin concerns, or the environment they live in. Additionally, a skin sensitivity question will be added. In the next section of this video, you'll learn how to exclude products containing allergens from your recommendations. Finish the quiz with an email question. Quiz responses can be sent to your mailing list or CRM for segmented retargeting. In the Quiz Design tab, you can change the look and feel of the quiz. You can even add custom CSS code to make it pop. Once your quiz is built and styled, you should add products and collections to individual choices. To do that, go to the Quiz Builder and select Link Collections. For the age question, you can link the youth and anti-aging collections created earlier. Then, let's link the skin type collections. You can link one or more collections to the same choice. Continue like this and make sure that each choice in the quiz has products or collections linked, otherwise you may end up with empty results. Product recommendation algorithm works like a voting system. Products are linked to each choice. When a customer picks that choice, all the linked products receive one vote. This includes all the products inside the linked collection. In the end, the results page will show the slots with products sorted by the number of votes. Remember the sensitivity question asked at the end of the quiz? To remove harmful products from the recommendations, use the Exclude Products feature. To exclude a product, go to the Link Products tab and select a question. Tap on the grayed text and a white bar will appear. Simply add the products which contain an allergen. Now, when a customer says he's sensitive to aloe vera, all the products which contain it will be excluded from the possible recommendations. Be careful when using exclusions. Once a product has been excluded, it won't show on the results page, even if it was upvoted in another question. It's time to edit the results page. Add a heading, a logo, or a content block to customize the page. Check the Tutorial 1 video to see examples of different blocks being used. To make the page more attractive, let's add a content block. In this block, we'll describe every step in the beauty routine. Remember to use markdown language to style your text. The page is almost done. Now let's add a space for products. As a skincare store, you'd like to recommend a routine composed of a cleanser, a toner, a serum, and a moisturizer. Let's add a slots block and create 4 different slots for each of the products. You can edit the slot name, add a description, and select how many products should be recommended in each slot. Slots won't work unless you assign collections to each of them. It's how they know which products to choose. Make sure that the products in these collections are linked to the answers in the quiz. Otherwise, the slots will produce empty results. Follow the same steps to create a morning routine. Voila! You've just created a dynamic result page for your beauty quiz. You can test the quiz by clicking the Preview Quiz button. Take the quiz a few times to check if the correct products are recommended. Now you're ready to publish the quiz. Let's add it in line with the page. To do that, go to the Publish tab and select the Inline Publish option. Adjust the quiz's width and height and generate a code. Copy the code and navigate to your online store pages. Add a new page and give it a name. Click the Show HTML button and paste the code copied from the app. Make sure to save the changes. Congratulations! You've just created and published your first skincare routine quiz. Check out our FAQ section for more resources on getting started with recommendation quizzes.